Here we are guys to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it just closed today and Bitcoin did exactly like how us we told you last Friday guys. If you remember and you watching our videos every day, that's what us we told you. Now what is it the view? The Bitcoin give us here a pin bar in a very stronger zone. Also we talking about that zone a lot here. Now what is it the view? Did Bitcoin from here going to come back above like that? That meant to come back to test here that 100 moving average. To test 100 moving average, I see it very far away. Maybe to test here the 20 moving average, which is exactly at 63k. That's possible guys, but if that happened, the Bitcoin going to give us like a bullish divergence. Another thing we got here, which is here the 50 moving average, it crossed below the 100 moving average again. It means also we enter again in a bear market here. If we're looking at our indicators, that's what I told you. If the Bitcoin came back from here, it's going to give you here like a bullish divergence guys. Let's wait and see how it's going to end up that coming days, because till now the Bitcoin, if you go into smaller time frames, it tests here that zone where we are a lot of times. Which zone I'm talking about? That one here of 59k. It tested a lot of times. Let's see how long it's going to hold that Bitcoin. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down and write within a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. So guys, as I told you, we are in that zone. We touched it many times here. Plus here, even here we got a downtrend guys. You see the downtrend here. Till now we touch it and from it we bounce down. Now there is one of two. Either Bitcoin going to break for us that last low here, that one I just told you at 59k. If we break it, we're going to use the ICT guys. ICT is a trading system, like how it happened here. When it's breaking that last low here, you enter a short. Same thing here. If it's getting broke, that man is going to dump more than that. But number one scenario. Second scenario, possible the Bitcoin from here to reverse upward. Even that one, it remain a very stronger possible guys. If you find the analysis late, maybe I don't know when you're going to watch that video, and if you want to be updated very quicker, don't miss any trade as we catch. That way us every time guys we tell you, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. We got 3 tiers here. VIP member, that one you're going to get all the cryptocurrency services as we offer. The elite member, that one here you're going to get cryptocurrency plus the gold, silver, XRP, a lot of coins here, plus the SP500. You can join the elite. If you want autoflow is something so special guys. If you want to join it, before you join it, you need to read about it. Either you go to our website, which is here as you see it, thomasboleto.com, or you type in Google Thomas Boleto autoflow like how it is written here, and you're going to find the website there. A big page web about it, even a video is there. You're going to learn a lot about it. If you want to text me before you join, that's my Discord guys. You can text me via the Discord and I'm ready to reply all your questions. How you can join? Very simple. Click a join button, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the Bitcoin option here, last week as we told you the last low here 59k, and as you see guys, we couldn't break Friday candle below that zone there, so everything it remained the same like how as we told you the top 68k and the low 59k, and that's what the Bitcoin respects. So even for that week we need to give you the levels where the Bitcoin is going to go, or the path for the Bitcoin. So let's go into the page web to see the Bitcoin option where there is the pots and the strikes. So let's go in there. Here we are guys, that the Bitcoin option also we're getting from it, plus the delta, that's another story, and the delta is very difficult to think guys. I can explain it here. So guys, as you see, the coming Friday is going to be 3/7/2026. So I try to find in the level for pots and the level for calls, and we start this every time from in the money, then we try to find the level for pots, the level for calls. So let's doing that together. Here we are guys, we found a level here 4 pots, which is exactly at 55k. The number of pots 413 Bitcoin. The number of calls 0. The total volume there $24 million. So that one, the first level of us, guys, 55k. Now let's find the level for calls, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the level for calls, which is exactly at 69k. The number of pods 0. The number of calls 63 Bitcoin. The total volume there $3 million, guys, because that the leverage and those things. So those ones, the levels of all 69k and 55k. Now let's go into the chart to drawing that two levels together. Here we are, guys. We set the top level here, 69k, like that, and the low level we said like that, 55k. So based on that, guys, what is the view of you? I want to hear your view. Yes, you tell me your option or what you're thinking about the Bitcoin. That Bitcoin going to dump more based on that two lines in front of you. Very simple, my friend. Calculating the distance from here and the distance from here. What you see? For the pots is too close, for the calls is too far. So what is it the view? As I told you, the Bitcoin is going to come back to that zone here, 63k, something like that. To close the week like that, guys, maybe it can go more higher, but based on that, there is a correction going to come. Bitcoin is going to make a smaller correction above, guys, but overall, also we're staying in a downtrend. And as I told you when I analyzing the daily, if we make a correction above, that's going to give us a bullish divergence. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. For long term, I tell it to you and I repeat it thousands of times. From now till the end of Q4, guys, just accumulating as much as you can of Bitcoin. You are in a very, very, very rare discount in a Bitcoin. So guys, don't miss that opportunity. We say it thousands of times. So guys, don't miss that opportunity. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see USDT Dominance, guys. Here we are, guys, the USDT Dominance. The USDT Dominance, it came back again to that historical zone as we got here. We just touch it again. The USDT Dominance going to break that historical zone, or from here going to dump again. Same like the Bitcoin, guys. We are in a very, very stronger support. Same thing. If the USDT Dominance dump from here, we're going to see the Bitcoin recover from there. So let's wait and see. Me personally, I think in USDT Dominance going to dump to test here that uptrend here, which is exactly here at 8.74, and that going to send the Bitcoin to 63k. But let's wait and see that possible to happen. So let's wait and see. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum we're saying today, guys. Here we are, guys. The Ethereum here, also we do it like that. If you remember that bearish flag, also we show you before, we do it like that, guys. And we told you it's going to fall down to test that low here. That one here. That's what we told you, guys. We tell it to you before. Till now we haven't test that low here, which is exactly 1435. Yes, the Ethereum is dump, guys. Us people there with us, we give them very nice short as swing trading, not only in the Ethereum, even in the Bitcoin, other coins. And that's why, guys, us every time we tell it to you, if you want to be with professional people, that's the job of them. You don't want to miss any trade, no matter what you're doing in your life. You got other work, you got other things. It's going to come a notification to your phone. Welcome to the family, my friend. You want someone to monitor and chart for you 24/7? Welcome. But it's up to you. If you have enough time, you can follow the chart here. It's going to give you a lot of things. So that for short, guys, for long, what we got here? For the long, we got a very stronger downtrend here in the Ethereum. You see it, guys? Not a very historical downtrend. And that downtrend, if it's getting broke like that, guys, we need to catch along, guys. That number one scenario. There is another catch here, which is that one here. If we came here and we zoom it like that, we got a small downtrend here. Even that one, focus about it, guys. If it's getting broke here, you can catch along. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin what it's saying today, guys. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin, same thing like the Ethereum. We got here a bearish flag, as we showed it to you before. You remember what else we saying about that bearish flag? When it's getting broke here. So the low here, based on that bearish flag, which is exactly at 56k, that Bitcoin going to hit that 56k. That's what us we are waiting, guys. The Bitcoin to get for us the target. If you remember what me I told you here, when we break in here, that bearish flag, market came back above. We told it's going to do like that. Then after it's going to break that last low here, and that's what happened exactly, guys. Now what you got here, if we came here and we do it like that, there is a small, a very sharp downtrend like that, guys. You see that downtrend there, that number one scenario, and we got a big downtrend. We can make it like that, guys. Even that one, we need to focus a lot about it if the market came and do like that, guys, because that one is very important based on our indicators. What we got here, our indicators, the MACD, it's look like it tried to become bullish, guys, that number one scenario, but the RSI is staying here in a zone where is the bears they controlling. The histogram here in the MACD turn to bullish. So let's wait and see the coming days what they are going to bring for us, guys. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin in smaller time frames. Here we are, guys, that Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, we got many things. And look at that 100 moving average, how the Bitcoin remain respecting it. So man, us technically we staying here in a downtrend in smaller time frames. There is nothing changed. If we came here and we take it off those ones here, what we can draw here. Number one, we can draw here a very sharp downtrend like that, guys. You see it, how it is. Man, if we break in the downtrend here, we need to catch along, and the downtrend is that sharp downtrend I'll show you in 4 hours. That number one scenario. Second scenario, guys, which is here. The one here, you can make here like a bearish flag like that. The one here is a bearish flag, guys. When if the Bitcoin breaking lower here, you can see it dumping more. And not for day trading, majority of you, they are going to miss that here. That's why us every time, guys, we tell you can join our VIP Discord. And not only the Bitcoin here, also we're talking about day trading in many cryptocurrencies, guys. Even scalping, we give it there. But it's up to you, my friend. So I think I explained everything. I'm so sorry, guys. In the past days, I haven't put the videos on. We will start putting more videos. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.